2022 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 4x4. We've done something a little different for you guys on these. We love the new Chevys because you can true duel them, so that's what we did. We'll let you guys see it in a second. Stock converters there. Then we cross them over and true duel it all the way 2 1/4. Keep going and going back to back. Anyways, yeah. Going, back to back. That was a good song back in the day.
I'm going back to Cali.
Anyways, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back over the rear end on each side. Duels, true duels, into some black tips out the back there. And right there, they came out nice quads. Very beautiful, very sexy RST Silverado. And this is the stock exhaust that was on it. That's where it wires into a single right there. Then there's a flex pipe, a valve right there, stock muffler, and that's where it wires out. After the muffler, it wires out from here. After the muffler, it wires out the back on each side into 2 tailpipes. And this is Chevy's way of resonators. You guys always hear me talk about those there. I hate them. We always like to take them off or cap them. But that's how they do their duels now. So we cut all that contraption off. I ran it a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. I don't know why they don't do this way. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 113. Again. 113. That sounds mean. All right. What do you think?
That's good, man.
Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
All right.
Real good after that.
It is surprisingly quiet and idle. It's not crazy loud. Not bad. 5.3. True duel. Straight pipe. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado 5.3 true duel into quad black tips. Sexy. I love it. That look is growing on me. I might go back to GMC or Chevy. I don't know yet. I think I'm gonna have to retire my little Ram. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Should I trade in my Ram on a new Chevy or GMC? Oh yeah. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Be smoke.